In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money on OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer cryptocurrency into your OKX account for trading or investment purposes. First, navigate to the OKX platform. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Assets option on the main menu. Click on Assets to proceed to your account overview. After accessing the Assets section, locate the Deposit button. You can find this option either in the drop-down menu or as a direct button, depending on your interface. Click on Deposit to initiate the deposit process. Next, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Options typically include popular coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether. Click on the desired cryptocurrency, and the interface will display the deposit address along with the supported network options, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BP20. It is crucial to ensure that you deposit on the same network as the address shown. If the network does not match, your funds may be permanently lost. Carefully review the deposit address and the network type before proceeding. You can either copy the address directly or scan the provided QR code for convenience. Once you have the deposit address, go to your external wallet or exchange where your cryptocurrency is stored. Initiate a transfer and paste the copied address or use the QR code to complete the transaction. If a tag or memo is required, ensure that you include it in the transaction details, as failing to do so may result in your funds not appearing in your OKX account. After sending the cryptocurrency, you will need to wait for blockchain confirmations. The confirmation times can vary significantly depending on the cryptocurrency being transferred, ranging from a few minutes to monitor your OKX account to confirm that the deposit has been credited successfully.